Automated replication. The replication is the technique that we are going to use to maintain the duplicate data or redundant data. Imagine you are you are working with the computer A. It is is the source computer. It is the actually maintaining the database, and we are maintaining a backup in database or the another target database in the B. In the B is the computer which is containing a backup in database. It means it is not going. We are not using the B for the business operation. B is only containing the backupping information. We no need to doing the read and write functionality time to time. Yes, we have to do because it is only keeping a mirror or an mirror image of A, and we have to do some writing activities. We are not going to read and get the data continuously, but the database in the A, it is basically focus on business operation, read and write, and providing information. It is execute and select query at the production level, normal production level. So why we are using the replication? Yes, replication is needed whenever error occur. We have to use the backup. So not only for the recovery, we are using for the migration. Migration. What do you mean by migration? Migration is we are in one state and move to the another states. Let me explain. Imagine you have developed a new software, and now you have to replace the existing software by the new software. So you are going to do a migration. Yeah, you are going to migrate from old software into new one. Okay, to do the migration process, what will happen? You have to stop the old software in the execution. Okay, in this situation, what will happen? You have to stop your all the business operation due to certain duration, because of you have until you are replacing and verifying your new software is working. So it will damage your business operation, and you will lose some amounts of money. I don't think you get happy. No, customer will not get happy. In the migration, what you can do is you have to execute your backup, and you stop the server, and automatically the backup will continue the business operation, and then you can change the remove the new all software and install the new software to your original PC, and then you can start the server for the production. Automatically the backup plan will stop and start the production. Comes to the normal production mode. If you realize if something wrong with the new software, you just need to stop and automatically to move for the backup in environment, and backup server will continue the rest of operation, and you can do the modification as you want. So what do you think? Does it secure? Yes or no? Yes, it is secure. Without that, you will minimize the damage for your business operation, and you will minimize the bad experience of your customer. Further, there are three types of mechanisms do the data replication. Imagine in the traditional way. In the traditional way, you may have on-premises data. In the on-premises data, it means you are maintaining your own network, and your business operation servers are running on this own network. Still you are doing the backup